Going into these cases, I initially saw digital transformation mostly as a technology problem. I thought success depended on choosing the right tools like AI, chatbots, or new systems. But through the HubSpot, Fidelity, Drishti, and healthcare cases, my thinking shifted quite a bit. I now see that technology is actually the easy part. The real challenge is how organizations integrate it with people, processes, and customer expectations. One idea that really changed my perspective was automation. At first, I assumed more automation was always better because it improves efficiency and reduces costs. But the HubSpot case showed me that this is not always true. Chatbots can actually damage customer relationships if they are overused or poorly designed. That made me rethink automation as something that needs to be balanced with human interaction. This idea was reinforced by the Drishti case, which showed a better approach by using technology to support workers instead of replacing them. My thinking was also challenged when comparing industries. In class, we discussed how companies like Fidelity can move fast and experiment, while healthcare organizations like Mary Washington have to be much more cautious because the risks are so high. That helped me realize that there is no one size fits all approach to innovation. The right strategy depends heavily on the context and consequences of failure. The Mira board and class discussions also helped me connect these ideas more clearly. I found it especially helpful when classmates pointed out the tension between efficiency and customer experience. One contribution that stood out to me was when a peer highlighted how automation can lead to frustration and even loss of trust. That really stuck with me because it tied together what we saw in both the HubSpot and the chatbot discussions. Overall, my biggest takeaway is that digital transformation is not just about implementing new technology. It is about aligning the technology with human needs, organizational capabilities, and customer expectations. My perspective has shifted from focusing on tools to focusing on how those tools are used in practice.